Hi, I'm Mike and welcome to a Motivation USA brief unboxing where you can buy anything, everything premium for your motorcycle. Let's see what we got. In this video, we're going to tackle the well-known Italian brand Rizoma and take a look at the wave fluid tanks. Before we dive into the video, make sure you take a moment to subscribe, hit the thumbs up, leave a comment down below. Let us know if you'd like to see the Rizoma grips unboxed or the SE Project exhaust. Not only these are going to add tremendous personality to your bike and give it your own flavor, there's one thing that you must know. When you buy authentic Rizoma parts, they are sealed before they even get to you. They're not opened by anyone. Those seals are not broken. If you receive anything else, something's up. The Rizoma wave fluid tanks come in 5 colorways: red, blue, gold, a natural finish, and black, which is what I have here. These Rizoma waves were built out of billet aluminum and has a functional aesthetic sight glass. This is a must to mention. Each Rizoma tank fluid requires an adapter that's sold separately. Make sure you grab the right one for your bike. Each kit includes 3 hose nipples. You can use .3 or .4 oil with the Rizoma wave fluid tanks. The Rizoma wave fluid tanks were developed in 2 different sizes so they can be used for several different applications, whether you're going to use them for your brake master cylinder or your clutch master cylinder. As recommended, use your parts purchase to support the store that support your sport. Motivation USA gives back to the riding community with everything from safety seminar courses and worldwide racing sponsorships. For the most trusted high-end parts and accessories, shop MotivationUSA.com. Links will be in the description down below. And remember, ride safe and ride often.